This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Sharon Suppulsa. Less than bedroom greater than Marie Kennedy. New kitchen installed 2 years ago, remodeled bathrooms, screened patio, big yard on a beautiful water view. And number 13, the windows and all the doors are impact, hurricane proof. It was totally painted 2 years ago. We'll paint again if necessary and be professionally cleaned. All floors are porcelain tile. It has a kitchen with a dinette area, living room, family room and a screened patio. Pets allowed but must be approved and include a $500 non-refundable deposit. Application fee is $50 per adult. Application is online. Pictures of the inside will be provided once the tenant moves out completely. And number 13 and number 13, if interested, let the agent know. No showings until tenant is out. Please do not disturb tenant. For more information, review the details below.